Oh hi guys! Today we're going to be animating. You wondering animating what? My animation. Take a sneak peek. How to in a tutorial how to animate a tail. So do this. Get your tail out. This is how you grab your tail. So press media and wait. I don't know this. But then I grab the tail. Then do this. Go to movement. Double tap this. And then move it like down here. And then keyframe. Keyframe, press the plus right here. But do it on here, see? So do it like this. Press that. And this. So press those buttons, right? Yeah, just like that. And then, hold up, wait. Let me do something real quick. And then go to effects. Then go to add effects. Then press bin. Try first. Since I already got bin, I have to tutorial for you. Then you do this. Then you go over here. It will auto do the keyframe for you. And boom. Go here and try first. Don't push that because it's gonna ring your tail. Then press this and do that. So good. Let's check this out. Yeah, I drew. That's. Okay. Now it's time to animate legs. This is also a tutorial. Let's show you how to animate the tails. Okay. This is fast forward, right? So we're going to go here. We're going to go to the chroma key. Then we go. I don't know what I'm fast forwarding myself. Dude, just put it right here. Jesus Christ, guys. Hello, guys. So today, oh, never mind. Okay. Then you do that. Okay. You put it there. You do that, right? Press this. Try it first. And that's how you animate legs. But let's do a little bit. But I'm doing extra. Ooh, let's try this again because something happened. Real quick. Put it the scale of the stuff that you, because that's how you make your video longer. And this is all doing on our motion. I can, like right there, you can see the logo and stuff. Somebody told me I'll be amazing and I will be famous one day. And I believe them. And I'm believing myself. Y'all should believe yourself in any. comments, cheerful comments, and encourageful comments. That will inspire you. And do what you can to become famous. Then they will be proud. I'll do this because it's way better. Something happened. I don't know what is it called. Okay. Okay, now. Do this all again for everything. Well, I don't know about everything. Let's see how this goes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the hand, but it's gonna have something. I'm gonna make the sweater a little bit longer from here. I'm also watching something as you're watching this. If this is too long.
I don't know why I said it like that, but yeah, we're gonna try to watch this entire video without laughing. Hey guys, while watching this video, if you laugh even once, then you gotta subscribe, okay? You have to. But if you watch this entire video and you don't laugh even once, then something's wrong with you. Why are you sad? Alright, come on, smile. Alright, here we go. Oh no. Bro, I feel like hold on, before we even play this video, I feel like the parents know what's about to happen. Because, like, why are they recording, right? Are they pranking their own baby? No, parents! But, alright, let's have a good laugh. Let's see what happens. Wait, what's gonna happen? Oh! Oh! Okay, that's what happened. Alright. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? We're supposed to not laugh this video. I just laughed on the first clip. Alright, whatever. Oh, look at the dog. Oh, he's about to slide down the slide? No! Okay, he went down the slide, but a whole lot of sliding didn't happen. Bro fell off the slide. What the heck? And the video cut at the perfect moment. Like, look at him. The dog looks so happy. But he just, I guess he gained too much speed. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. That makes me want to go to, like, a trampoline park right now. Trampoline parks are so fun. Oh, we got another slide. Is a dog about to come out? Oh. Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Wait, okay, I'm not even kidding. I was not expecting that. What the heck? I don't want to be rude, but how fat was this person going down the slide? Oh my god, how do you break the slide? Look at it. You only see feet come down, then boom, the entire slide breaks. If that was me,
Okay.
I'm like
Hold up, guys. Hold up.
Your little brother has no fear? Oh. was fun though. Sometimes the most dangerous stuff is just fun. I don't know. But don't take my advice, all right? I don't want you guys getting hurt. But let's see that again. That was funny. Oh my gosh! I don't think you're supposed to go down there on that like cart he was on. Bro instantly regretted his decision. Bro, I will never ride this water slide. I don't like water slides. Uh-oh. He's like, no, no, take me out. Oh, you gotta do it, buddy. Oh. Bro, I hate
Animating?
your stomach,
Yo,
like your stomach drops right in your butt.
yo want to some of y'all who start animating, like, animating must be easy. Animating is not easy.
This kid has the creepiest laugh. Oh, I've seen this before. It's actually funny. Like, guys, listen to this laugh. Bro, even the kid got scared. Did you see how fast he got scared? Bro literally got jump scared from the laugh. I think it's raining. It was not rain. Yeah. No, it's not. What? Oh, God. Oh my God, that's disgusting. She's like, I think it's raining. And the kid above her says, I peed myself. Oh, that is so nasty. Bro,
Disgusting.
I gotta either fight the kid or I gotta get in the shower. I don't know. That is nasty. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, he's gonna get so dizzy. He's gonna get so dizzy. Oh. Bro, if that was me, I'm going up everywhere. Oh, I feel bad for him. Bro, L cameraman, bro. That's an L cameraman. I feel bad for him. But my brother definitely did the same to me when I was young. Uh-oh. I've seen these before. I've never played them, though. Wait, is he stuck? Uh-oh. Bro just fell all the way through.
Your bro just teleported to the back rooms, not gonna lie.
He's all the way down there. Bro, what even is that? Like, what is that called? Like, a slide is a slide. A trampoline is a trampoline. What is this? Can somebody comment down below? Like, I have no idea what the heck I'm looking at. Playground fails. Always pays to have a quick look around over the playground. Oh, see, this is, oh my gosh, see, this is another reason why I don't ride roller coasters. Look at that. Just
Let's
one
try this
bolt
again.
and your life could be over. That's too scary, bro. That is too scary. Oh, it's 2 volts, 3 volts. Oh, nah. Hey, guys, sometimes playgrounds are, like, super old. Like, they've been there for years. So, be safe out there. The betrayal? Oh, no. He's gonna let go of her? This is one of my favorite things to do in a trampoline park. Wait a second. I'm 24 years old. I mean, a 24-year-old can't have fun in a trampoline park. Come on. All right, I still have fun in them. I don't care. But anyways, back to the betrayal. Look, he just... Oh, she threw her back. Oh, back in the ball pit. Oh. Who allowed this? Oh, no. Oh, he's zooming. He's zooming. Oh, my gosh. Bro was going so fast. What type of dad is this? Let's go. Oh, no.
Danny, what percent that phone on?
20.
Give me this. I can put it on my headphones for a minute. That's it. It ain't gonna take that long.
Okay.
And you should stay off of there while it's charging. Because this charger make your stuff charge fast.
Okay, guys, look, this is what's gonna happen. Anyways, see you later. That's all for the tutorial. Yeah.